Welcome to Crown's Quick Tip Tuesdays, where we give you tips on keeping your vehicle safe and well maintained.
Crown's Quick Tip Tuesdays. Rotate tires and have the alignment checked. This is the easiest trick in the book to prevent wearing of tires and make them last longer. And the trick is to get them rotated about every 6,000 to 8,000 miles. All tires do not wear at the same amount. So by rotating the front and rear tires, you balance the wear and make them more long wearing. Ensure that the tires of your car are also aligned. Non-aligned tires can cause problems with steering. It may even make you lose control of your car and cause an accident. If you are not in the habit of checking on your car tires, you can start by setting a monthly date to come in and see one of our specialists at Crown Auto Sales and Leasing Service Department. Call 704-247-9288 to set up an appointment today.
Thanks for watching Crown's Quick Tip Tuesdays, brought to you by Crown Auto Care Service Center, Charlotte's leader in automotive repair.